Today we start a very important chapter of class 10th, trigonometry. Where trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and sides. Here is tri means 3, geno means angle, and metry means measurement. Clear? Tri means 3, geno means angle, and metry means measurement. Clear? Now we discuss here the trigonometric ratios, relations between different sides and angles of a right angle triangle are called trigonometric ratios or T ratios. Clear? Now we here discuss in a right angle triangle. First we draw here the right angle triangle. There right angle at the point of B. So right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C both are acute angle. Clear? Both are acute angle. Clear? This one is the right angle. Right angle means this one is 90 degree. Clear? Other two angles are acute angles. Now we discuss here trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratio of an acute angle in a right triangle express the relationship between the angles and the length of the side. Is the relation between the angle and length of the side. Clear? It depends angle and length of sides. Now look here, we draw here a right angle triangle ABC. This one is a 90 degree. 90 degree just opposite side. This one is a hypotenuse AC, and CB is a perpendicular and AB is the base, and this one is a angle A, means here is a theta. Clear? Know this. The side opposite to right angle B is known as hypotenuse. Clear? AC. AC is a hypotenuse. Now, side opposite to angle A is known as perpendicular BC. This one is a BC. Clear? BC, and the third side AB is known as base. We here take the trigonometric sign here. First one is a sine theta. Yes, sin of theta. Sin of theta, it means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This one is a perpendicular and hypotenuse. This one is right P by H. So sin theta is equal to BC. BC is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse AC. Clear? Now similar to other. Now here see that cos theta, a cosine of theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base here is AB and hypotenuse here is AC. So base upon hypotenuse, B by H. So cos theta is equal to AB by AC. Clear? Now here is this third. Tan theta, a tangent of theta. Tangent of theta, this one is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular here is BC and base is equal to AB. P by B, this one is right. Sin theta, tan theta is equal to BC upon AB. Clear? Now here, fourth, cosec theta, a cosine of theta. Cosine of theta, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This one is clear. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This one is right. h by p. तो cosec theta is equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Clear? Now, so cosec theta is equal to AC upon BC. Now here sec theta, yes, secant of theta, hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base, h by b. So sec theta is equal to AC upon AB. Clear? Now we discuss sixth one is a cos theta. Yeah, cotangent of theta. Cotangent of theta, base upon perpendicular, b by p. So cos theta is equal to AC upon BC. Clear? Similarly, the trigonometric ratios of angle C in right angle triangle ABC are given by. Clear? Sometimes angles are changed. This one, find the questions are find sin C. So sin C here, this one is an angle C. This one is a 90 degree. Now we'll take here angle C. So similarly we do that. Clear? So this for the angle C, so AB is a perpendicular and BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. Clear? So sin C is equal to, just change sin C is equal to, what we write is AB upon AC, perpendicular upon base. So for the angle C, this one is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? Similarly, cos C, BC upon AC, BC upon AC, base upon hypotenuse, tan C AB upon BC, AB upon BC, perpendicular upon base. Similarly, cosec C AC upon AB, sec C AC upon BC, and cot C BC upon AB. Clear? Now, here is a remark. As the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle, the values of sin theta or cos theta is always less than or equal to 1. Clear? Less than or equal to 1. Tan theta and tan A and cot A can have any real values. Clear? Now we discuss here a shortcut method PBPHHB. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा के थ्रू हम इसे जान सकते हैं. P, this shows P means perpendicular, H means hypotenuse, and B is base. Now take here is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? Clear? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Sin theta is just opposite. We cosec theta, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec just opposite of the cos, H hypotenuse upon base, and cot is just opposite of tan, base upon perpendicular. Clear? Now this one is easy to know that about this. Clear? Sin theta, P by H, just opposite cos theta, cosec theta, H by P, cos theta, B by H, just opposite sec, H by B, tan, P by B, cot right now, B by P. Clear? Relations between trigonometric ratios. Relation between the trigonometric ratios. Here, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, or this one is right now cos theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, and both are is multiplied, cross multiplication, cos theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Clear? These are the relationship. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. This one is right. Cross multiplication, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. This one also cot theta into tan theta, cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. So, sin theta is tan theta is right now sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Clear? Now, power of trigonometric ratios. For the sake of convenience, we write. कभी कभी हमारी जो है पावर्स में लिख देते हैं, हम गलतियां करते हैं. साइन स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर लिख देते हैं. दिस वन इज द रॉन्ग वे. नाउ हियर इज राइट दिस साइन ए होल स्क्वायर. दिस वन इज राइट नाउ साइन स्क्वायर ए. कॉस स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. दिस वन इज राइट कॉस स्क्वायर ए. tan स्क्वायर is right now tan a whole square, right now tan square a. Sin a whole cube, this one sin cube a. Cos a whole cube, cos cube a. And tan a whole cube, right now tan cube a. Clear? Note here is right now, note the values of sin theta or cos theta never exceed 1, whereas the values of sec theta or cos theta is always greater than or equal to 1. Now here is the second note. The value of trigonometric ratio of an angle depend only on the magnitude of angle. It depends only on the magnitude of angle. Angle के पे depend, and not on the length of the side of the triangle. Clear? Values of trigonometry depends on the magnitude of angle, not depends on the length of the angle. Clear? We discuss here trigonometric identities. Now here is the first one is a sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or this one is right now sin square theta, this one is goes there 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Let us prove that. Proof. First we draw a right angle triangle ABC. A right angle triangle ABC, and B is a 90 degree. So AC is a hypotenuse, BC is a perpendicular, and AB is the base. Clear? Now use here the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, in hypotenuse square, AC square is equal to sum of other two sides square, AB square plus BC square. Clear? Now dividing both sides by AC square. We divide by AC square. We get here, if we divided in this one, AC square upon AC square is equal to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. When we find that AC upon AC, we get 1, AB upon AC whole square, BC upon AC's whole square. This one is right now 1 is equal to B by H whole square plus P by H whole square. B by H, base upon hypotenuse, this one is a cos, and perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this one is a sine. So this one is right. 1 is equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta. Hence proved. Clear? Now discuss another identities. Second one here. Second one here is given that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, or this one is right now sin square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, or right now sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Proof here, in right angle triangle, first we draw a right angle triangle ABC, and B is a 90 degree. This one is hypotenuse perpendicular upon base. Similarly, in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. By the Pythagoras theorem, in the hypotenuse square, sum of other two sides square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now dividing both sides by AB square. Dividing both sides by AB square. So AC square upon AB square is equal to AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square. Now this one is right now AC square upon AB square. This one is a 1 plus BC upon AB square. This one is a right H upon B. H upon B, hypotenuse upon base. This one is a sec plus P by H perpendicular upon base. This one is says tan. Clear? So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This one also proved. Clear? Now see the third one. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Clear? Or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now the proof, similarly, we take here the right angle triangle ABC, and B is 90 degree. This one is hypotenuse perpendicular upon base. Clear? By the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Dividing both sides by the BC square, so what we get here? AC square upon BC square is equal to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. This one is the right AC upon BC whole square plus AB upon BC whole square plus 1. This one is the right now H upon P whole square is equal to B upon P whole square plus 1. H upon P, H upon hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This one is a cosec square theta, and B by P just opposite of tan. This one is sec cot square theta plus 1. Hence prove that. Dear student, transformation of trigonometric ratio to other trigonometric ratios. Now here we draw a chart here. Clear? You see that angle, clear? Angle sin theta into sin theta with sin theta. Sin theta in form of cos under root 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta in tan form, tan theta upon under root 1 plus tan square theta. Cot theta, sin theta in form of cot theta 1 upon under root 1 plus cot square theta. Clear? Sin theta in the form of sec theta. This one is the right under root sec square theta minus 1 upon sec theta, and sin theta in the form of cosec theta, the 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly here we discuss of cos theta. Cos theta in the form of sin theta, so we write now 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta in the form of cos theta is the cos theta, and cos theta in the form of tan theta, tan 1 upon under root 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Cos theta in the form of cot, the cot theta upon under root 1 plus cot square theta. Clear? And cos theta in the form of sec theta, the 1 upon sec theta, and cosec in the form under root cosec square theta minus 1 upon cosec theta. Clear? Similarly, now discuss here, this one is a tan theta in the form of tan theta in form of sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta, in the form of cos tan theta, so under root 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. Clear? In the form of tan theta, so tan in the form of tan theta is the tan. In the form of cot theta, 1 upon cot theta is equal to tan. Clear? Similarly, sec theta under root sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta in the form of sec square theta. Now tan theta in the form of cosec theta, so cosec square 1 upon cosec under root cosec square theta minus 1. Clear? Similarly, the others identities, see here just like a cot theta. Cot theta in the form of sin theta, तो cot theta को हम sin theta के फॉर्म में लिखना हो तो we write now under root 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. In the form of cos theta, so cos theta upon under root 1 minus cos square theta. Cot theta in the form of tan theta, so we write this 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta in the form of cot theta is this one is a cot theta. Clear? And cot theta in the form of sec theta, this one is right 1 upon under root sec square theta minus 1. Clear? Similarly, under root this one is right cot theta in the form of cosec theta, so root cosec square theta minus 1. Clear? Now we discuss here second one, sec theta in the form of sin theta, so we write this 1 upon under root sec theta in the form of 1 upon under root 1 minus sin square theta. Sec theta in the form of cos 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta in the form of tan under root 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta in the form of cot theta root 1 plus cot square theta upon cot square theta. In the form of sec theta, to sec theta in the form of sec theta. Now cosec theta in the form of sec theta, to cosec theta upon under root cosec square theta minus 1. This one is right now cosec theta in the form of sin, so 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta in the form of cos, so 1 upon under root 1 minus cos square theta. Cosec theta in the form of tan theta, so under root 1 plus tan square theta upon tan theta. Cosec theta in the form of cot under root 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta in the form of sec theta, to sec theta upon under root sec square theta minus 1. Clear? Now in the cosec theta in the form of cosec, this one is right cosec theta.